Service in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida out 20 nautical miles, coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles, Pensacola Bay Area including Santa Rosa Sound, Perdido Bay Area, South Mobile Bay, until 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:58 a.m. Central Daylight Time, clusters of strong thunderstorms producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from near Fort Morgan to Fort Walton Beach, moving northeast at 5 knots. Waterspouts have been sighted and conditions are conducive for waterspouts. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Arnica Bay, Big Lagoon, Pensacola Pass, Sand Island Lighthouse, Fort Pickens, Bon Sucre Bay, Farewell Buoy, Pensacola Bay Bridge, Perdido Pass and Pensacola Bay. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations: South Mobile Bay, Perdido Bay Area, coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles, Pensacola Bay Area including Santa Rosa Sound, and coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line, Florida to Pensacola, Florida out 20 nautical miles. This is NOAA weather.